Welcome back to the grilled cheese series, everybody. Today we're going to go with a nacho-inspired grilled cheese. Let's get started. All right, so for our nacho-inspired grilled cheese, we'll go ahead and get a little butter going on one side of each of those slices of Texas toast. You guys will probably catch on. I like to use that Texas toast. So I can lightly toast the inside of those, and then we'll actually going to do something differently for the other sides, like you've seen us do on some of those other sandwiches. All right, friends, so as you can see, we're starting to get a nice little toast there, so I'm actually going to take those off. And then what we're going to do is come back to our butter roller, get a little melted butter on the other side, and then what we're going to do is put some spices on these slices of that buttered bread. Okay, so with my slices of buttered bread, first I'm going to take a little bit of fresh ground, or not fresh, but some ground cumin. And then I'm going to hit it with a little bit of chipotle chili powder as well. All right. So then we'll get ready to build these. Turn the heat down just a little bit. I'm gonna move pretty quickly here now, so go ahead and start getting that side toasted. I'm gonna start with a slice of cheddar. We're gonna grab some sliced jalapeno. These are like pickled jalapenos out of the jar here. Kind of those nacho slices. Hence that nacho-inspired theme we got here today. All right, get all those jalapenos in. You can go as many as you like. You can go fresh jalapenos if you want. Sometimes you get them in a little hotter version. Then we're gonna come on the top with a slice of Monterey Jack. And then there, we'll top it off. And we're gonna cover it for just a quick moment before we flip it over. All right, friends, we flipped it over. Gonna cover it back up here for another 30 seconds. Okay, friends, it is time to take that off of the Blackstone. And we're gonna get ourselves ready here to slice it open and take a look, all right? There we go. Oh, yeah. We'll grab that knife, and we're gonna start slicing it up. All right. Open it up. Oh, look at that, my friends. Let's give it a taste test. Whew. All right, friends, once again, our nacho-inspired grilled cheese. Let's give it that taste test. So I see that Monterey Jack, cheddar, lots of jalapenos. This might be really tasty, friends. Mmm. Oh, yeah. And even just that hint of that cumin, that chili powder on the outer crust of that bread as well. Cannot go wrong with this, friends. You go back and add a little meat to it. Maybe you got a little leftover pulled chicken or something from a smoked chicken. This is absolutely amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed this little quick recipe here on our grilled cheese series. We'll see you guys again on Bones and Bros.